Treatise on the philosophical purpose of cabbage, considered from the vantage of the dung beetle. We who roll the sphere under the open sky have long known that purpose is revealed only through completion. The incomplete thing is a promissory note. The completed thing is the fulfilled contract. Cabbage, that dense and self-regarding leaf mass of the genus Brassica, stands forever in the first category. It is matter awaiting the digestive fire. Its philosophical purpose is not to be eaten by the human or the cow for their own satisfaction, but to be transmuted into the higher substance that sustains our kind, dung. On the dignity of our kind, among the great order of beetles, the Scarabaeidae holds special rank. The sacred scarab, Scarabaeus cicer, rolls its ball with solemn precision. Onthophagus, Kepher, Canthan, Flaneus, rollers, tunnelers, and dwellers all share one truth. Dung is not waste. It is the refined product of existence. We navigate by the polarized light of the moon and the band of the Milky Way. We shape the sphere, bury it, and raise the next generation inside it. This is our vocation and our metaphysics. The incomplete status of cabbage. Cabbage presents itself as finished. Its layered head and mild bitterness suggest self-sufficiency. This is illusion. Cabbage is an intermediate form, a temporary crystallization of sunlight, soil, and water. Its true being is potential dung. An herbivore consumes the leaves. The gut performs the great alchemy. What remains is concentrated, microbial, and elevated. The cabbage has been perfected. Teleological material. Cause, the leaf. Efficient cause, the digestive tract. Final cause, the sustenance and continuation of the dung beetle. Without cabbage and its botanical kin, the factories of the gut lack raw material. Without those factories, there is no dung. Without dung, there is no us. Thus cabbage exists so that dung may exist, and dung exists so that we may roll the eternal sphere. Moral implications. Humans who treat cabbage as a culinary endpoint halt the process before perfection. This is a failure of insight. Those who raise animals on brassicas and allow the resulting dung to reach the soil participate in the proper order. Systems that poison the dung or banish the beetles frustrate the purpose of the cabbage itself. Purpose is not owned by any single species. It is distributed across the cycle of transformation. The beetle's perspective simply restores the missing half of the story. Conclusion. Cabbage waits in the field or on the plate, unaware of its higher destiny. We who have shaped the completed sphere know better. Matter seeks its perfection. The purpose of cabbage is to be lifted through the dark passage of the gut into the bright labor of the beetle. That is the teaching. That is the way. We roll onward.